How to fix Wi-Fi issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In first method, restart your phone. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Tap the power button icon. Tap on a restart. Now tap on a restart to restart your device. After restart your phone, swipe down the notification panel and tap on a Wi-Fi icon to check connect Wi-Fi network or not on your device. In the second method, turn aeroplane mode on and off. Swipe down notification panel. Here you can see flight mode. Tap on it. When enable flight mode, it will disable all network. Turn off all network on your device. After 5 seconds, tap again it to turn in flight mode and try to connect your Wi-Fi network and check fix the Wi-Fi issue on your S24 Ultra or not. In third method, toggle on the switch to better Wi-Fi network. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap on a connection. Tap on a Wi-Fi. Now tap on a 3 vertical dots at top. Tap on a intelligent Wi-Fi. Now make sure toggle on the switch to better Wi-Fi network. It will helpful to automatically switch Wi-Fi network that are faster or more stable on your device. In fourth method, toggle on the Wi-Fi save mode. To enable it, go to settings, tap on a developer option at the end. Now search for the Wi-Fi save mode. Search Wi-Fi save. Now search the Wi-Fi save mode in developer option. Now scroll down. You can see Wi-Fi safe mode on your device. Now make sure to toggle on it. It will prioritize the Wi-Fi stability over performance on your device. In fifth method, set the private DNS provider on your device by go to settings. Tap on a connection at the top. Tap on a more connection settings. Tap on a private DNS. Now tap on a private DNS provider hostname and enter the hostname of DNS provider and tap on a save and check the Wi-Fi working or not on your Samsung S24 device. In sixth method, remove the connected Wi-Fi and reconnect. Go to settings. Tap on connection. Tap on a Wi-Fi. Here you can see the list of current network available network. Tap on setting gear icon of connected network. Now tap on a forget at the bottom right to remove the connected Wi-Fi network. Now tap on the network. Enter the password and check fix the Wi-Fi problem on your Samsung S24 Ultra. If you still facing the issue, reset the Wi-Fi settings. To reset the Wi-Fi setting, go to phone settings, scroll down up to general management. Now scroll down, tap on a reset. Again scroll down. Here you can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Tap on it. It will reset all your saved Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth pair settings. So make sure password is remember. Now tap on a reset setting button at the bottom. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting reset on your device. I go back. Go to connection. Wi-Fi. Tap on your network. Enter the password and check fix the Wi-Fi issue or not on device. Now you can see connected the Wi-Fi network on your device. Wait. Now you can see connected. If you still facing the issue, contact your internet service provider. That's it. Like it, share it.